I guess it must be getting close to 12 minutes, so like and subscribe, share and all that. If you feel like it, if you're still here, good on ya. I'll see you in the next one, probably, for who knows how long. Because yeah, I don't edit these things. I just make sure I didn't say anything too let's just say conservative. Huh? Let's go with that. Well, sometimes I think maybe I should say something like that, so that all the lefty retards come after me. That way I can get some publicity. Yeah, I feel like I know where the cap is for motorcycle videos with poor editing. Is it around 40 subs, 40 to 50? Because there's this other guy that I found who he's down in Victoria, and he's had a few videos out, but I guess he just stopped posting him about a month or so ago. Must have got too busy. Whereas me, I'm just trying to get one out a day. Make sure I get one a day. I'll see how many days I can do that for. Right, I think we might go left today. I haven't gone down to Copmanhurst. I haven't gone there yet. See what it's like. Revving her up again. I think it's 100 along this road. Ooh, nice big turn. But my first time doing this turn, so I'm actually going to slow down and see what it's like. Make sure it's all good. Yeah, no, it's not bad. Not that bad of a turn. A bit bumpy, but yeah. You can do it at least 20 k's faster than it says. Another turn with trees blocking my line of sight. So I slowed down a bit for that one. Here we go. Must be coming into the little town now. Oh, I enjoy that bike ride. It's not much of a long ride, but it's nice. Welcome to Copmanhurst. Federations Park, huh? Sussex. What have we got? Federation Park. No, it's just a little playground. I'll have a look up here. See what's up the top of the hill. Yeah, looks like I can turn down here. Who cares if I can't? Emergency headquarters. Nice little town. Don't know what's up that way. Can't really get a good view of anything up here. Oh no, here we go. Up the end here, looks like we've got a nice view. Climb up the bloody water tower. Wow, look at that. Just be careful, careful. There we go. Into first. Wow, look at that. What a nice view. What a nice spot. Oh. Careful, careful. And off we go again. Bloody hell. Fucking get into gear, you bloody bastard. Cool. Well, I guess we'll just head back home now that I've had my ride. Still recording. Must be on to the next bloody video already. If I am, hello and welcome. I want to see how the timing lines up when I get back home. Check my footage. Look at this, gravel. Just take it nice and slow. No, we don't want to come down here. Maybe we can somehow get back out again. Oh, no, not to neutral. Turd, that's good. Nope. Doesn't look like we can. Just gonna have to turn around and without bloody. And blast off. So nothing down there. Cool, just having a look around. What's coming? No. Oh, there's a nice view. Chugga 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 chugga. Go back this way. And then we'll go back the other way. We won't go back the way we came, but we'll go back so that we end up at Junction Hill. I might go up and have a little loop up here as well. See what's up here. Bit of gravel on this corner too. I'll just take it down a second. I think this is the way we want to go. Just be careful of all the gravel again. Doggies. Oh, it's a nice little town. I'm glad I came out to have a look. Too bad they don't have a river. Oop, bloody come on. And a second. There we go. And then river out here. Probably better not do that too much. It's been a while since I moved the chain. Don't want it flying off to the back of my head. I think one of my earplugs has come out a bit. Damn. Just turn off here and fix it up, I think. I know I can get through again just by turning the corner. We'll just go and park right on the corner here and fix my bloody ear plug up. Oh, come on, neutral. There we go. Oh, nice. Take the glove off because I can't fit my hand in there with it on. Yeah, it did fall out. Sort of. Almost, anyway. There we go. I might need to bloody change the size of the little bit that goes into the ear. Good, good. Back into first. And away we go, checking mirrors and all that sort of stuff. And no one's coming, and off we go. I don't think that really fixed my earplug problems, but whatever. It's not too disastrous. Oh, there we go. I just had to scrunch up my face a bit, and the earplug went to the place that helps. If that makes any sense. Intersection coming out, so we'll just take it a little bit easy. No one's coming, good stuff. Yeah, this road's really nice for a good ride too. What a beautiful day. Oh, some more koalas.